Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have created this look on my birthday using a makeup hack for glowy base. Let's see if it works or not. I am starting with this Pond's moisturizer. I'm taking enough moisturizer to prep my skin and I really like the gel consistency of this moisturizer. Now I am placing it all over my face and I give it a gentle massage. Now according to hack, I have to put loose powder first and I am using this Kryolan loose powder, and with the help of this powder brush I'll be putting up on my face everywhere. It is really important to put powder on face and neck properly. Oops, my poha break got caught in camera. Now I'll be using this PAC Cosmetic Photo Finish Fixer. Now after using fixer, I am using this Swiss Beauty primer. Now we will start our base. Like we have started our base, but according to that hack we have to put those things first and then this primer. Any foundation, I am only using primer where I have open pores. Now after primer, I am using this Super Stay Maybelline foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. I will mention the shades and details in description box below. I am taking a pump of this foundation on the back of my hand and I will put it with my fingers, making a dot on my face and neck. Always try to cover full face and neck with least amount of product, because if you will use extra product there are more chances of breakouts and your foundation will look cakey. After spreading the foundation all over my face, I have used a damp sponge and blended it all over my face. You can see it. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer to conceal my dark circles and any other dark area of my face. Guys, I'm trying different editing skills. Don't mind, practice makes women perfect. I have done my brows off camera. If you want to see how I do my brows, you can check my latest video of day and night makeup. I'll leave the link in description box or it will pop up at the end of the video. Now I wanted to keep it simple, so I am doing a winged liner. Only a wing liner. It is very difficult to do it on camera, so I did it off camera. Half I did it off camera and half on camera. The only trick to do a eyeliner is to just create the outer boundary and then fill it in. I know it is difficult, but if you practice you will get perfect one day. So I did my job and this is how it looks. Blush, I am using this Kryolan blush and contour palette and I am using this peach color. Always smile while doing blush. Smile, smile, smile. I wanted it to be a very casual makeup, so I am not doing any contouring or bronzing, just highlighting, and then I will do a lipper. For highlighter, I am using this Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. This is bomb highlighter. You can clearly see the glow. OMG, I love this highlighter. I will highlight my nose, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, chin, lips. Now after highlighting my brow bone, I'll be doing my lipper. First I'm going to use this lip liner. As I did nothing on my eyes, so I wanted my lips to look good and big bold lips. So I am creating a sort of boundary around my lips so that it looks bigger. Always make sure you fill your lips with the lip liner you're using. Now for lips, I am using these two. One is Lakme crayon and second is a glossy lipstick. First I am filling my lips with the crayon. For me, you should always take your time while doing lipper. And now for the top coat, I am using this Lush lipstick. This is a glossy lipper. This will give me a pouty glossy lips. You can clearly see a difference before lipstick and after lipstick. I always forget to do mascara. I am using this Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetic, and I really don't remember what I was finding. A mascara also plays very important role in eye makeup, and you should always invest in good mascara. Not very expensive one, but this one is very good and it gives me a very good big lashes. And after using this one, I don't really feel to put on falsies because it is very good. Now after using mascara, it is optional to use a fixer again, and I did a stay test, so if you want to see it stayed or not, keep on watching. This video is after 6 hours of makeup. It stayed really well. I know there is under eye darkness, but it's okay. Hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all.